In this video for Positive Maths, we're going to continue looking at problem solving involving income tax. We're going to work on a problem where we need to find the tax credit. So let's read through the example. Brian has a gross annual salary of €50,000. His cut-off point is €35,000. The standard rate of tax is 20% and the higher rate is 40%. He pays €9,000 income tax for the year. We need to calculate his tax credit. Okay, so we're going to just identify the information we're given. So the gross income is 50,000. The cut-off point is 35,000. Standard rate is 20%. And the higher rate is 40%. His net tax, so his income tax, is equal to €9,000. And we need to calculate his tax credit. Okay, so what we're going to write down is we're going to recall that the net tax plus his tax credit is equal to his gross tax. So we can use the gross income, the cut-off, and the percentages to calculate his gross tax. We know the net tax, so then we can use this equation, fill in our values when we find them, and we can use this to find our tax credit. Okay, so the first thing we need to do then is to calculate the gross tax. So we need to find the amount that's over 35,000. So 50,000 minus 35,000 is going to give us 15,000. So we're going to find 20% of 35,000. And we're going to find 40% of 15,000. And the sum of these values will give us our total tax, or our gross tax. So 20% of 35,000 is going to give us 7,000. And 40% of 15,000 is going to give us 6,000. So his gross tax is going to be 13,000. So now we can go back up here. We can use this to find our tax credit. So our net tax, €9,000, plus our tax credit gives us our gross tax, which is 14,000. So therefore, our tax credit is going to be equal to 14,000 minus 9,000. So we'll find that our tax credit for this question is going to be €5,000. For more information, visit www.PositiveMaths.ie, email us at info@PositiveMaths.ie, and find us on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching.